We live inside a network that moves at the speed of light. Every second, millions of messages and data packets cross oceans instantly. But try sending the value of your labor along those exact same lines, and the process grinds to a halt. The infrastructure that carries our information evolved to connect the entire globe. The infrastructure that carries our money remained tied to national borders. We built a reality where ideas travel freely, while the capital needed to execute them waits for permission to move. This friction exacts a heavy toll on real people. Take a digital designer working in Lagos, or a construction worker sending paychecks back to their family. Both of these people provide essential labor in a deeply interconnected international market. They work for a global economy, yet the moment they try to collect or send their earnings, they hit a wall. They face exorbitant exchange fees, wait days for clearance, and constantly risk frozen accounts simply for moving value across a jurisdiction. The global market relies on this workforce, but the financial plumbing underneath actively penalizes them for participating in it. So why exactly does a digital transaction take 3 days to travel between 2 smartphones? Because the legacy financial system is built entirely around physical geography. It organizes human beings by the soil they happen to stand on. When a payment leaves one country, it doesn't go straight to the recipient. It routes through a chain of correspondent banks, middlemen acting as geographic checkpoints. Every bounce to a new silo means another institution takes a cut, adding another layer of delay. The network is actually functioning exactly as designed. It enforces geographic boundaries at the direct expense of the people using it. To fix this, we must rethink the underlying logic. What if we disconnect financial access from geography, tying it directly to human identity? This approach is called identity-native financial architecture. By using cryptographic verification, a network can prove exactly who you are without needing a physical bank to vouch for your location. You authenticate directly with the person you are transacting with. When the system trusts the individual rather than the jurisdiction they sit in, those old geographic toll booths simply stop mattering. The UNZN platform executes this exact model. It is a network built from the ground up to ignore physical borders. UNZN achieves this by embedding identity-native financial architecture directly into a social ecosystem. Without intermediary institutions demanding a cut at every border, transactions settle instantly. The geography-based friction disappears entirely. This structure elevates financial access from a geographic privilege into a basic human property. Under this new logic, that designer in Lagos and that migrant worker sending money home can finally participate in a fair market. Their earnings travel straight to the recipient, retaining their full value, moving just as fast as a text message. The early internet connected our communication, but by leaving our financial infrastructure tied to physical borders, it left our livelihoods deeply divided. Shifting to an identity-based system finishes the job. The world already connected people. Now infrastructure must catch up.